This is a 2014 Infiniti qx60. So you guys have the problem with the lights and you replace the bulb but didn't fix the problem. This is what you guys can do. It's hard to see. Okay, but in the back of the light assembly there's gonna be a dark gray connector to wire right here. So this one gonna have a red wire and a black wire. Turn the lights on and test for ground and power. If you test it and you guys getting power and ground, most likely gonna be the ballast. In order to fix the problem, you guys gonna have to remove the bumper. I already did. So next step, I'm going to remove the headlight assembly, and gonna be 3 10mm bolts. Right here. 1, 2, and one on the side. This one right here. So actually it's 4 bolts. Thought it was 3, but the other one gonna be on top right here. This one. Now you guys can put the light out. There you go. This is a problem right here. This is a ballast. They need to be replaced. Phillips screws. Gonna be 3. And then you guys gonna have to remove this one right here. And right here. So we're gonna bring this through here. And I got the new one here. I ordered it online. So just put it back and install this. Put this cover. Put 3 screws. It's about to be ready. Now need to connect everything back. So once you reconnect everything, you guys can put the light back on place. Everything looks good to me. All I have to do is put the 4 bolts. One. 2, 3, 4. Alright guys, that's all you guys have to do.